Hey Pac, ever heard of a metal combo building in Texas? Well, right behind me, I have a carport utility in the front, and in the back, we have a workspace. So what do you say, let's tour this building together? Let's get it. Hey Pac, welcome back. It's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings. And just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we do have a combo metal building here in Texas. I believe we are in the town of Ennis or just outside of Ennis. But right behind me, we have a multi-purpose building. Now what I mean by that, it's a 40 by 80 overall structure, but 60 foot of that 80 foot in length, it's enclosed, and the other remaining 20, it's an open section, making it a 20 by 40, right? But we'll get all those details here soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on all WolfSteel Building videos. Now let's get this tour started. Hey Pac, we had a little technical difficulties with our mics and camera, but not to worry, it happens to the best of us. I heard it even happens in Hollywood, right? Why wouldn't it happen to us? But anyways, we'll pivot and adjust. We'll finish the rest of the walkthrough here at WolfSteel Building headquarters. And on top of that, I'll give you guys pricing here at the start of the video and at the end, all right? Now, what do I mean by that? I'll give you guys the first segment, total project cost, which includes concrete, the building, insulation, and many more accessories. And then we'll break it down piece by piece. Lastly, on the segment of this video, we'll do our comparison, red iron quote versus a tubular structure quote, all right? But if you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay updated on everything that entails WolfSteel Buildings, all right? And that includes walkthrough videos, educational videos, informational videos, and the sales process. But yes, Pac, let me start off by giving you guys the pricing, the total project cost for this 40 by 80, 16 foot on E height red iron welded building out there in Ennis, Texas. So the total project cost is $136,249 with 56 cents. And that covers the main building, the lean-to, the doors, insulation, concrete foundation, equipment, labor, and sales taxes, all of that good stuff. This building is split into two sections. The main building is an enclosed 40 by 60 with the 40 by 20 part is an open space, making it a combination welded building, right? You get the size of one of the most popular builds, which is the 40 by 60, and with the bonus of a 40 by 20 as open space. We've done similar projects like this before, so you make sure you check out our YouTube channel. I'll link those videos in the description as well, so you can check out the similar builds like we did on this red iron building, all right? Now, the color scheme on this building is charcoal on the vertical roof, sides, ends with black trim. Also, we did paint the exterior frames. Something to note here, painting is just not for looks. It does help with the rust proofing. The paint job not only adds to the design, but also protects against the elements, ensuring your building stays strong and looks great for years to come. But going back to the building Pac, this isn't just any workshop, right? This is going to be turned into a welder's paradise. Our client is a professional welder, and this space is built to store all his heavy-duty equipment and tools. I know on screen you're probably watching the inside of the building. You can see he has his welding setup. He has all his tools, his welding tables. He has a forklift inside the building. He has a basket, a man basket, you know, to go raise up in the air and do some welding, all right? But our client is a welder out there in Ennis. If you're looking for a welder, I'll put his information on screen. Give him a call, very good guy. But let's talk about the building, and I'll give you the building cost of just the building alone, all right? Because I just gave you the cost of the total project, right? Now let's give you the building cost. Now this comes out to $83,277 with 56 cents. This includes the building, the doors, which is one steel insulated door, and that massive overhead door in the front. We have foam back enclosures, base trim, delivery, installation, and taxes. But let's talk about the gutter system, which is also in black, matching the trim, and it's crucial for managing Texas rain, directing water away from the foundation and preventing damage. Now, another thing that I love about this project is the immaculate spray foam job. We're talking about a smooth, even layer of foam that not only provides incredible energy efficiency, but also helps with soundproofing. Perfect for keeping your workspace comfortable all year. Many people don't like the spray foam due to the application or the color that it looks like, but it all boils down to craftsmanship, right? In this case, it's a good, smooth, and clean spray foam job. We have many cool videos on our YouTube channel where Abdul and Anadela break it down on the differences between spray foam insulations and if you should spray foam before or after you run your electrical. I highly suggest you check those videos out. In this case, our client did run his electrical first, and then they conducted the spray foam job. You know, it's just a preference, right? So it's a full spray foam job, 1 inch R7. I'll give you the price for that. With the gutter system, we're looking at a total cost of $14,412 with 0 cents. Now, let's move into the concrete. I'll give you guys that cost. Again, it is a 4-inch concrete foundation with 12 by 18 perimeter footers and 1 cross internal beam. That total cost comes out to $38,560 with 0 cents. If you're thinking about getting the same size, same specs, but as a tubular building, it will cost you $129,034. Again, I'll put up the red iron price on my left-hand side, and then I'll put the tubular side on the right-hand side. And you can really tell the difference. Again, since we're comparing it to a tubular and we're looking at a 40 by 80, anything above 31 feet in width would be considered a wide span, all right? But if you want to know more about pricing factors, Anadela and Avil made a great video on 5 pricing factors that affect you on your tubular building. I'll link that video as well. I highly recommend you guys watch it. It's awesome. Again, Pack, these prices are only valid 5 days after post date, okay? But there you have it, Pack. Another stunning WolfSteel building project in the books. If you're thinking about building your own dream workshop or need some more inspiration, you know where to find us, all right? I'll leave the salesman pictures and information on the screen for you right now. We are counting with 6 different pots, but for this particular project, this project was sold by Argenis and the Alpha Wolves. Make sure you give them a call for your metal project needs, all right? But again, Pack, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on anything that you would like us to do or make a video of, or any suggestions to make the channel more educational and spread out more information in regards to metal buildings, all right? Till next time, Pack, this is Eric signing off for WolfSteel Buildings. I'll catch you guys in the next one.